The Iberian Peninsula is facing a growing challenge: grid saturation due to the rapid increase in solar generation. This affects both the efficiency and profitability of renewable projects. In this video, we will explore the causes of this saturation, the crucial role of storage systems, BESS, and the future perspectives to solve this problem. Join me to understand how to face this challenge. The causes of grid saturation are as follows: the high penetration of solar energy. Regions such as Andalusia, Castilla-La Mancha, and the Algarve have experienced exponential growth in solar generation, but energy demand does not always match production, causing surpluses that the grid cannot absorb. Limited infrastructure. Power grids, especially in rural areas, have not grown at the same pace as generation, creating bottlenecks. Mismatch between generation and consumption. Solar generation occurs during the day, while peak consumption is at night, aggravating saturation during hours of high irradiation. The benefits of integrating BESS into the grid are as follows: reducing energy spillage. BESS systems store excess solar generation that cannot be absorbed by the grid, avoiding economic losses. Improved grid stability. BESS provide frequency regulation and support during peak demand, preventing power outages and voltage fluctuations. Harnessing energy during peak hours. They allow the stored energy to be sold during price peaks, maximizing the revenues of the solar plants. Prospects for the future and expansion of the use of BESS are battery cost reduction. With the falling prices of lithium-ion batteries and the development of technologies such as solid-state, BESS projects are becoming increasingly economically viable. Regulatory support. European directives such as RED II encourage the adoption of storage in renewable projects, improving investment conditions. Projected growth. BESS capacity in the Iberian Peninsula is expected to grow from 3 gigawatts in 2023 to more than 5 gigawatts in 2030, driven by hybrid PV plus BESS projects. My recommendations for developers are: integrate BESS into your solar projects to reduce losses and optimize revenues. Take advantage of regulatory incentives and European directives to finance your projects. Consider using advanced technologies such as EMS and SCADA to maximize operational efficiency. If you are looking for customized solutions to address grid saturation and maximize the potential of your renewable projects, contact me on LinkedIn. Together we can transform the energy future of the Iberian market. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content and to keep learning about BESS systems.